first step is to draw a circle. Now for the circle, you could trace something or just freehand a circle. It's up to you. I'm just going to do my best in creating a circle shape. Next, we're going to make the base of the snow globe go around and then close off your side just like this. We're going to make a line straight across, and then we're going to make little lines going all the way down. And you can always pause the video if you need more time. Next, we're going to make the snowman. The snowman, we're going to start with his face just like this, just a big U. And then from that U, we're going to draw kind of a curved line around. Close it up if you need to. And then from that curved line, we're going to go up like this, and then up again. We're going to make another kind of curved line all the way and close it. We're going to make the hat come up like this. Same thing for the other side, make it go up, and then a little circle pom-pom in the middle. Like that. Next, we're going to make the body. It's just a big circle like this. And then we're going to make some stick arms. I drew a line and then two lines coming out of that one. Line for the other side, and then a line. This line is going to be down there. Now we're going to make some buttons. I'm just going to make two big buttons for mine, like that. And then for the face, we're going to make two eyes. One, and then we're going to do another one here. We're going to make two eyebrows going up, and then another one. We're going to make a curved line like this, and then for the carrot nose, it's going to go out, and then we're going to go in, and then we're going to make lines just like that. Now we're going to draw a little smile. There we go. Now we're going to make the base of the snow. Start about here and go out. A little curve up for a snowball, and then out to the side. Same thing, go around. This time I'll make two little snowballs, and then finish off to the end. I'm going to make mine cute and draw some hearts around it, but you do what you want to do. You are the artist. Just like that. For the snow around it, you could draw as many or as little snowflakes as you want, and they're just going to be little circles for the snow. You can just draw them randomly. You could put more or less, up to you. Just like that. I think we are ready to color it in. There's our finished snow globe. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!